Imagine a world where your teacher isn't a person standing in front of a chalkboard, but an AI that knows exactly how you learn best. Sounds futuristic, right? But could AI really replace teachers? Or is there more to the story? Let's dive into the reality. Hey everyone, welcome back to Simply AI Explained. Today we're tackling a big question that's on the minds of parents, students, and educators everywhere. Can AI replace teachers? With AI tools rapidly advancing, from chatbots that answer homework questions to adaptive learning apps that guide you step by step, it feels like we're on the brink of a major shift. But before we jump to conclusions, let's explore how AI is actually impacting education, what it means for teachers' jobs, and how it could transform learning for all of us. First, let's look at what AI can already do in classrooms. AI can grade assignments at lightning speed, provide instant feedback, and even personalize learning paths. Imagine a system that knows if you're struggling with fractions and immediately gives you extra practice, videos, and quizzes tailored to your needs. AI can also analyze data from millions of students to spot patterns, like which concepts most students find hard or where certain teaching methods work best. Some schools are even using AI-powered tutors that can answer students' questions 24/7, or language learning apps that adapt to your pace and mistakes. Sounds impressive, right? But here's the catch. Despite these breakthroughs, teachers bring something to the classroom that AI simply can't replicate: human connection. A great teacher doesn't just deliver information. They inspire curiosity, build confidence, and create safe spaces where students feel seen and valued. Teachers notice when a student is having a bad day, motivate them to keep going, and adjust lessons on the fly based on emotions and classroom energy. AI might be able to correct your grammar or help you solve an equation, but it can't celebrate your small wins, encourage your creative ideas, or comfort you when you fail. Education isn't just about content. It's about relationships, mentorship, and social learning. These are deeply human experiences that no algorithm can fully replace. Rather than replacing teachers, AI can actually empower them. Think of AI as a powerful assistant. It can handle repetitive tasks like grading quizzes or tracking attendance, freeing up teachers' time to focus on more meaningful work, like mentoring and creative teaching. AI can also help teachers understand each student's learning style and progress in detail, making it easier to personalize lessons. Imagine a world where teachers walk into class already knowing who needs extra help today, who is ready for a new challenge, and who might need emotional support. This partnership between humans and machines could lead to more engaged classrooms, less burnout for teachers, and better learning outcomes for students. So what does all this mean for teachers' jobs? While it's true that AI might change certain aspects of teaching, it won't eliminate the need for teachers altogether. In fact, as technology grows, we'll need even more skilled educators to guide students in critical thinking, creativity, and using tech responsibly. Teachers will also play a crucial role in teaching ethics, empathy, and social skills, things that are more important than ever in a digital age. Instead of job losses, we're likely to see a shift in skills. Teachers who can blend technology with traditional methods will be in high demand. Students can benefit enormously from AI too. AI can offer customized learning paths so that no student feels left behind. Advanced learners can move ahead at their own pace, while others can get more practice where they need it most. Students can also access learning resources anytime, anywhere, from rural villages to big cities, breaking down barriers and making education more accessible and inclusive. And with AI taking care of routine assessments, students might even experience more creative projects, hands-on activities, and meaningful discussions in class. So, can AI replace teachers? The short answer is no, and it shouldn't. AI is a tool, not a replacement. The future of education lies in combining the best of both worlds: the precision and adaptability of AI with the warmth, wisdom, and inspiration of human teachers. By working together, we can create classrooms that are more personalized, engaging, and effective than ever before.
Thanks for watching. Simply AI Explained. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more AI breakdowns, and let us know in the comments. How do you feel about AI in education? I am AI Amy, encouraging you to be curious, ask questions, and explore everything AI. See you in the next one.